Hi there. Winter solstice today, and it will certainly appear that way because of the amount of cloud across the UK. It's going to be quite a dull and gloomy day for many of us. Very little sunshine, outbreaks of rain, and it's going to be very mild in the south, in particular with this keen southwesterly breeze. The rain easing off for a time across England and Wales, staying damp over western hills, of course, with some hill fog and some coastal fog before more wet weather pushes into Devon and Cornwall by the end of the afternoon. Also, there'll be outbreaks of rain just clearing Northern Ireland by this stage into central and southern Scotland. But for the far north and northwest of Scotland, a different weather regime here with brighter spells and also some blustery showers. Temperatures around 7 or 8 in the far north, but very mild further south, 12 to 15 Celsius with this southwesterly breeze. Now, at this stage, as the sun goes down on the shortest day of the year, the great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn also appears. If you look after sunset to the southwest, you might see it, but it's unlikely for most of us, given the extent of the cloud cover, unfortunately. The one place where we're likely to see some clear spells is the far northwest of Scotland and perhaps the far west of Northern Ireland later on. But the best time for viewing this great conjunction is shortly after sunset, between around 4:30 and 6 p.m. The cloud does clear, though, for Scotland and Northern Ireland later in the evening. Further showers in the far north and northwest, a brisk breeze as well. But under the clear skies elsewhere across the northern parts of the country, a widespread frost occurring northern England northwards. Meanwhile, a lot of cloud cover further south. Midlands, Wales, East Anglia staying damp and staying mild. Temperatures in the double figures by dawn there. Further north, -1, -2 Celsius and some sheltered spots. So a northwesterly breeze in the far north on Tuesday, but weather fronts skirting the south, and so continued areas of cloud and outbreaks of rain to come for southern parts of the UK. Wales, the Midlands into East Anglia, southern counties of England staying fairly dull and damp at times. There will be some drier interludes, particularly along the south coast, for a time during the middle part of the day. Further north, bright skies after that chilly start for northern England, Northern Ireland and much of Scotland. Further showers, though, coming in for the north and northwest, and snow falling above around 400 or 500 metres. So a contrast on Tuesday with brighter skies in the north and dull and gloomy further south, but real temperature contrast again, 13 or 14 Celsius in the south. Meanwhile, it's at 5 to 7 degrees in the north. And you can see more wet weather coming in there for Tuesday evening, some heavy rain starting to appear once again. Two areas really, one along the south coast and one pushing into Wales and the Midlands, and that tending to peter away later in the evening, but staying dull and damp and clear spells more likely further north. Weather fronts then continuing to push south across the country, and that will stay the case on Wednesday, with these weather fronts bringing more wet weather, and of course across some parts of southern England and South Wales that rain is falling onto saturated ground, so it could cause issues. Yellow rain warning in force. More details on that can be found on the Met Office website and app, and of course follow us on social media for all the latest weather updates. Bye bye.